Alright viewers, our top focus this hour remains the investigation into the Sushant Singh Rajput case, even as we are seeing multiple developments when it comes to the investigation. We are seeing on one hand how the Bihar police is in Mumbai questioning several people, including the sisters, the servants of Sushant Singh Rajput as well. At the same time, we are seeing how they're also seeking financial documents from the bank who handled or where Sushant Singh Rajput in fact had his bank account. And the latest that we are getting at this point is that the Mumbai police is now monitoring the move and direction in which the Bihar police is in fact probing and interrogating the case. No new statements will now be recorded by the cops, and they have stopped the investigation for the moment as well. Meanwhile, in fact, Sushant's family has filed a caveat plea before the top court against Rhea Chakrabarty's petition as well. In fact, as the clamour for a CBI investigation continues to grow louder, the latest to join the chorus is BSP Supremo Mayawati, seeking the central agency investigation. However, Uddhav government continues to remain adamant against the CBI probe, says that it stands by the Mumbai police investigation. Let's listen.
एक्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, इनका जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आया है उसके जरिए से उन्होंने आत्महत्या की है, ये बात सामने आई है। मीडिया के द्वारा जो बात सामने आ रही है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बिजनेस राइवलरी के कारण इन्होंने आत्महत्या की है, ये एंगल की भी जांच पुलिस विभाग करेगा। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात इसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित हो। एक्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, इनका जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आया है उसके जरिए से उन्होंने आत्महत्या की है, ये बात सामने आई है। मीडिया के द्वारा जो बात सामने आ रही है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बिजनेस राइवलरी के कारण इन्होंने आत्महत्या की है, ये एंगल की भी जांच पुलिस विभाग करेगा। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात इसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित हो।
Now viewers, lawyer Sarthak Nayak has also in a way filed a petition in the Bombay High Court seeking an independent probe into the Sushant Singh Rajput case. He spoke earlier today to Republic TV. Let's listen.
Mr. Sarthak Nayak, I believe you have filed a letter petition to the Supreme Court for an independent inquiry. What it is all about?
Right. And there are basically, the first prayer is that the case should be investigated by an independent agency, certainly not the Bombay police. Number two, in alternative, set up an SIT headed by a retired judge and look into each and every aspect. Because this case has to be looked upon from a larger angle, not from a microscopic point of view. I personally believe that if you light a candle, that is definitely going to give peace to the deceased soul. If you do a campaign in Twitter, definitely people will feel the cause of the issue, but we have to go to court and seek justice for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Okay, why do you feel that the Mumbai police is not investigating this properly? Why do you think that the Mumbai police is not investigating this case properly? And do you think that the case should be handed over to the Bihar police, because the father, who's a 74-year-old man, and since he thought that he was not getting justice in Mumbai, and since he lives in Patna, he has all the right that the Bihar police should take up this matter, because Sushant Singh Rajput was originally from Bihar. His father is a 74-year-old man who lives in Patna, and he cannot travel to Mumbai or Delhi. Mr. Nayak, Mr. Sarthak Nayak, I want to ask you, why do you think that the case should be handed over to the independent agency? Because the Bihar police has also lodged an FIR in this case because Sushant's father, 74-year-old man who lives in Patna, Sushant also originally hailed from Bihar, and his 74-year-old father cannot move from Patna to Bombay or to Delhi. So it is better that the Patna police, since it is the first FIR in this case, why the Patna police is not being allowed to investigate this case, since there is no cooperation from the Mumbai police to the Patna police, which has already reached Mumbai.
Listen, first of all, nobody is doubting the credibility, the judiciousness, or the tremendous amount of capacity of Bihar police. They are doing an excellent job. But in future, if the question of jurisdiction will arise, because the part of the cause of action wholly or fully must arise in the place where the occurrence has taken place, which in this case is Bombay. Sushant Singh Rajput's father is staying in Bihar. If later on it comes, the question of jurisdiction comes, and by any chance the investigation is transferred again back to Bombay police, then it will give a huge amount of chance for the real accused to seek for anticipatory bail and also tamper and destroy with the evidences. Therefore, as far as jurisdiction is concerned, it has to be a watertight case as far as jurisdiction is concerned. Bombay police had investigated the matter in a lackadaisical manner, in a lopsided manner. And it's a bizarre thing that people, the high-profile politicians and people from the police department are tweeting that he was suffering from depression and mental illness and he committed suicide. You have no right to transgress the privacy of a dead person. Supreme Court has time and again said that even a dead person has the right to privacy and he has his dignity. It has to be intact. Therefore, the credibility of Bombay police has been absolutely tarnished. They haven't done the investigation in a proper manner. But tomorrow, by any chance, due to jurisdiction issue, if the case is transferred back to Bombay, a lot of time will be wasted. And also Bihar police, am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yeah. Go on.
Bihar police.
Go on.
Bihar police cannot investigate what Bombay police is doing. We need to also investigate what prompted Bombay police to waste 40 days time. No FIR was registered. On first day, how could you know that an ADR has to be registered under 174 of the CRPC without investigation? Why an FIR has not been registered? Why no charge sheet has been filed? Not a single person's 164 statement has been taken. If 40 persons are interrogated on daily basis for media consumption, that doesn't mean that prima facie no case is made out. Therefore, only an independent agency will not only investigate what Sushant Singh's death, the cause of Sushant Singh's death, but also what prompted Bombay police to act in such a manner. Who instructed them to release those videos of the dead person in bed lying? Who has told them to release in media saying that he was depressed?